This is Biotronix Shockwave Therapy, electromagnetic type. This is clinical model, horizontal one. You can see the quality of the product. Metallic body, not like the other in the market, which is fiber body, which is because the circuit inside and everything, the applicator is around n kg in weight. So metallic body is more stable than the fiber body. So now you can see this is the touch screen, and this is the Biotronix Care International LLP electromagnetic shockwave therapy. What is the difference between electromagnetic and pneumatic shockwave therapy? Let me explain the same. This is the probe, you can see. The probe has the bullet inside the same, a metallic piece. So when the metallic piece travels from one end to other and strike and generate the shock wave. So it travels, strike and generate shock wave that we use for the therapeutic purpose. And if the travel of that bullet is because of electromagnetic field around the bullet, that means the device is electromagnetic shock wave therapy. And if the travel is because of some air compression or some compression field, that bullet travels because of compression field or because of the pressure from that field, the air compression field, that means it's pneumatic. So this is the electromagnetic, where electromagnetic field is there in the device and the bullet travel because of this. So now I will give you the demo of the product, and I am switching it on from the back side. I have already connected the applicator. I have already connected the main code. Now you can see I have switched it on, and you can see Dr. Shock Pro, reported by Biotronix Care International LLP. I touch the same and I go to the interface. You can see this is password protected. By default, password is 6 times 0. But if you want the same to be modified, you can change the same and give the password to those person only, those attendant only who can operate the device and authorize for the same. So now I am putting the default password 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 times 0, I repeat, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So as I put the same, I have entered in the interface. You can see elbow, knee, shoulder, hip, pubic, hand wrist, lumbar, foot, and ED and fat conversion. So there are 8 programs for the physiotherapy with different joint, elbow, knee, shoulder, hip, and so on. And there are 2 programs, one for the ED, erectile dysfunction, and one for the fat accumulation for slimming. So if the people say that they want the device for the ED purpose, so all the devices, all the shockwaves comes with the both physiotherapy and ED. There is a program for the ED in all the devices, and if someone wants to use the same for the ED purpose, for the clinical and all, that person has to buy the same, and that person can discard the physiotherapy program and can use the ED program. And if some doctor want to for the physiotherapy purpose, the doctor can use this physiotherapy joint and discard these two ones. And if someone wants both can be used. But all the device comes with the physiotherapy as well as ED program. So now I will show you the demo of the device. So this is the applicator. You can see I have already connected. If I select the elbow program, you can see in the elbow program I have entered to the interface of the elbow. It's the indication where the elbow is, and now you can see these are the 5 hand pieces. These are the hand pieces. You can see these are the different hand pieces. You can see all are having covers, but they are having the different metallic parts. You can see these are the different. Like this is convex and this is concave. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 in the same. You can see this is the bigger one. So there are 7 different transmitters, there 7 different hand piece you can change. So now you can see in the elbow section there are second and third, which is in the yellow color. These are the recommended one. So as written over here also, please select the second and third hand piece, because this is the recommended, hence in the yellow color, and rest are not recommended, then it in the white color. However, you can use according to your need and the doctor experience, but these are the recommendations. And application recommendation, shocks 2000 to 2500 per area, session 5 to 10 days, interval 5 to 7 days. For the elbow it is recommended, and you can see these are the recommendation already over here. When you select the program, like elbow I selected, 2500 shots are there, frequency 3 Hz recommended, energy 20 millijoule recommended. You can increase that or decrease the same according to your need, but these are the recommended ones. The frequency you can go up to from 1 to 16 Hz. Energy you can go up to 5 millijoule to, in the multiple of 10, up to 200 millijoule. So you can go up to 200 millijoule, but if the program is there where 200 millijoule is quite like in the elbow section, if you use 200 millijoule, that will hurt the joint. So the maximum over here is 100. 100 is the maximum over here. You can go up to 100. So according to the joint, if you go to the hip joint, then you can see the energy over here. You can go up to 200 because the area is bigger, the joint is bigger. So you can go up to maximum 200. So according to the joint, now you can see that this is if you select the ED, the maximum intensity you can go up to 30 millijoule, because 30 millijoule is quite effective, quite more and strong enough for the erectile dysfunction. I will show you the intensity you are getting by using the same in the following minutes. So now you can see if I select the elbow, and frequency I can go up to 1 to 16, and these are the pre-selection shots. You can vary the same. You can go up to 5000. You can go up to 5000. So this is the pre-selection. Like I have selected 5000 shots, and when I start the same in the current section, it will keep on counting the shots and give you the number. Once the same reach to the 5000, the program will automatically stop, the treatment will automatically stop. Or if you want to stop in between, you can press that button, or you have the hand switch in the probe itself. This is a hand switch. So now I will show you the demo of the device. I'm putting the intensity energy as the minimum and frequency as the minimum. So now you can see I'm using the same on this joint area. I started the same. As soon as I click on the same, you can see the voice of the fan. The fan is there in the probe to cool off because the bullet is keep on striking, so the handle will heat up. To cool off the same, this fan is there. So now I'm putting the same on joint, and I press, as soon as I press that button, I will get the same. You can see the frequency is, you can just zoom the same. The frequency is 1 Hz and 5 millijoule. Let's see, frequency is 1 Hz only, the starting one, and the energy is 5 millijoule. So as you can see, I am increasing the energy now. 15, 25, 35, 45, 45, 55, 65. 65 is quite enough for me for that joint. So I'm not going beyond the thing because I may get injured. So that is why the maximum intensity over here is 100 millijoule, because in the 65 in the elbow section I'm getting quite enough energy. If I go beyond the same, I may get injured. So that is why the maximum intensity in that joint is 100, not 200. If 200 option is providing and someone has selected the same and striking the same, that joint will get injured rather than healed. So that is why the maximum intensity is there. That is why for the ED section, you can go up to 30 millijoule. You can go up to 30 millijoule only, because 30 millijoule for the erectile dysfunction is quite enough for that area. And frequency you can go up to 10 Hz. So according to different part, different treatment, different joint, there are maximum and minimum level of the same. Like if I go for the knee, I can go up to 200. because knee, some people have the larger fatty tissue area around the knee, so that person can go up to, and frequency I can go up to 60. So these parameters you can vary. Recommendation are there, and as soon as I start the same, it will keep on counting the same, and once the treatment will reach 2500, it will automatically stop. And if I want to stop in between, the patient feels the discomfort or the applicator may move here and there, then in case you can switch it on from, you can pause the same from here also. This is the button. So and be conscious always that don't use the same in the air, because a bullet is traveling and it's hitting the surface and it is generating shockwave. That shockwave is going in the air, so because of that the bullet may get broken. But that has to be absorbed by some body. If the body will absorb the same, the impact, the reverse impact will be less, hence the bullet will long last. So always use the same in contact with the body, not in the air, because that may damage the bullet which is traveling. And the bullet will give you pretty good shots. It will long last, depends on the treatment, depends on the shots you are using. If once the same will be consumed up, once the same will be used up, you have that key to open the same. You need to open the same, you need to screw the same, and you need to change the bullet. And bullet you can purchase from it. So this was a demo of the device. I think I have explained everything in the same. Nothing left. Let me summarize also. 8 programs for the physiotherapy, 1 for the ED, 1 for the fat accumulation slimming. The joint you will select, the intensity maximum you can put, depends on the joint you are using, and you can vary the intensity. Recommendations are there, everything recommended is there, handpiece also. But if you want to vary the same, you can change within the limits. And the bigger the area, the energy you can go, the maximum energy you can go is the more. And however the energy variation the device will provide up to 5 millijoule to 200 millijoule, and frequency 1 to 16 hertz, and pre-selection shots up to 5000. So this was the summary of the device. I think I have explained everything regarding this device. If you still have any query or something related to this, you can contact us, you can write in the comment section. Also, I request you to please share the video as more as you can, and subscribe to our channel for all the detailed video about all the physiotherapy and rehabilitation modality. So thank you for watching the same, and you can contact our sales team. You can comment your WhatsApp number or calling number to us. Our sales team will reach you, and if you want to purchase the same, we will provide the same to you. So Biotronix here international, we are importer of the same, and the same is available on our website also. Thank you for watching.